And then from here you can see the hyper setup options shows up. And from here you can see there is a destination folder options over here. So here you can simply change your download location or installation location, but I want to leave it as default and then click on install. After that you can see the installing and it will take some more seconds to install. For that, keep patience. And you can see it's already completing the setup. And now if you click on finish, so you can see that your hyper terminal is opened into your computer. So now there is a very important topic to discuss. How you're going to configure it into your computer. This is the most important preferences for this video. So for that, you just need to click on this hamburger icon, go for the edit, and then go for the preferences. After that, you can see there are hyper.js, lots of coding over here. So what we're going to do, we will going for the notepad, and I have made a dedicated config for your hyper.js. So what you can do, you can simply select them all by Ctrl A, and you can click on Ctrl+ C to copy it, and then you can go for hyper.js, this option over here, and you're going to select them all and going to delete them and going to paste them that this config over here, and then you can simply press Ctrl+ S to save it, and you can simply close it. Don't worry, I will give you this config into the video description. From there you can simply copy it and then you can simply paste it into your computer. This is how you can simply download and install Hyper Terminal into your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video.